Mommy, give hug. Go say give. 进来，进来，进来，进来来。
Oh, I see.
Say, go say. How do you say thank you in Chinese? But a lot. 多。
We have a paper. You want a cup? Just in case if you don't like, you can spit on that cup.
No, you can't just spit right in front of the store. Come on now.
Inside the plants.
In the plant, so it's okay.
It's okay. My son is peas everywhere. He learned from his cousins. You gotta go, Mom.
Yeah. Didn't you just pee the other day, or is Kai pee the other day? And yeah, that was Kai.
And then that guy said, "Don't do that."
So you like the dentist now?
What do you mean now? He